This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to see your most watched director on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on letterboxd.com, the main page of the site right here. So first things first, let's come up to the profile. So we come over to our name, so the picture of you and your profile name at the top there. We click on profile. So your profile is open now. Now there's a few different ways of doing this. Obviously Letterboxd is a film watching platform where you list the films that you've watched. They appear in the diary. Obviously you can review them and you can do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. But one of the key tenets of this is that we can obviously track how many watches we've had for a particular director, particular actor, writer, and so on and so forth. So what you can do if you have a paid account right here, you can see the stats page. So I'm a patron. You can be a pro member or Patreon member to actually see this. But what you want to do is click on the stats right here at the edge of your profile. Now this will open up your overall stats by default. Now this is a life in film, so this is everything I've tracked on Letterboxd. If you hit the drop down, you can click a specific year right here. So these are actual years that you tracked things in on Letterboxd, so not actually the years of the films themselves. So you can see all of your years that you've been watching films, essentially. So by default, this will be the all-time stats, as you can see right here. So this is Film Lifestyles, all-time stats. As we scroll down, we've got all the usual stats stuff right here, including a list of progress. We want to hover all the way down, and we can come down to directors. So you see right here, these are my 10 most watched directors, everyone from Werner Herzog, Woody Allen, through to sort of Brian De Palma, Clint Eastwood, you've got Jean-Luc Godard here, Scorsese, Spielberg, Hitchcock, and so on and so forth. So you can see your most watched directors here. You can click hit show more right there, and I will show you even more. So obviously in order, you can start to scroll down and see which directors you've seen the most of, and again, you can hit more. And I believe you can keep on hitting more for a while there. So that is how you see your most watched directors. You can also see which directors are your highest rated directors there, and click show more as well. Really cool feature. That is how you see your most watched directors on Letterboxd. You can click into a director and you can see all the films that you've seen of this director and reviewed. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.